Hello, my friend, and welcome to day 1 of your daily English lesson series here on 24/7 Talk English. Today, we begin with the most important part of English speaking, basic greetings. These are the first words you use when you meet someone, start a conversation, or introduce yourself. And when your greetings sound clear and confident, the whole conversation becomes easier. So sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and get ready to speak with me. Let's begin day 1. Today, we will go step by step. I will say the greeting slowly. You repeat after me. Then we will practice short dialogues, shadowing, and real-life speaking patterns. Ready? Let's start. Hello. Repeat. Hello. Hi. Repeat. Hi. Hey. Repeat. Hey. Good morning. Repeat. Good morning. Good afternoon. Repeat. Good afternoon. Good evening. Repeat. Good evening. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. How are you? Repeat. How are you? I'm fine. Repeat. I'm fine. I'm good. Repeat. I'm good. Thank you. Repeat. Thank you. Thanks. Repeat. Thanks. Great. These are your basic greetings. Now let's use them in real-life mini conversations. I will say both lines. Then you repeat the full dialogue after me. Conversation 1. Hello. Hello. How are you? Now repeat. Hello. Hello. How are you? Conversation 2. Good morning. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Now repeat. Good morning. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Conversation 3. Hi. Hi. I'm good. And you? Now repeat. Hi. Hi. I'm good. And you? Conversation 4. Good evening. Good evening. How is everything? Now repeat. Good evening. Good evening. How is everything? Great. Now let's practice shadowing. When I speak, you speak with me, just a little behind my voice. Let's shadow this short greeting introduction. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm happy to meet you today. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. Again, shadow with me. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm happy to meet you today. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. Great job. Shadowing helps you sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent. Now let's learn 10 more useful greeting phrases beginners should know. Repeat each one after me. What's your name? My name is Alex. Where are you from? I'm from India. Good to see you. Long time no see. How's your day? It's good. How's everything? Everything is fine. Welcome. See you soon. Take care. Have a nice day. Repeat them again with me. What's your name? My name is Alex. Where are you from? I'm from India. Good to see you. Long time no see. How's your day? It's good. How's everything? Everything is fine. See you soon. Take care. Have a nice day.
Excellent work. Now let's combine your new greetings into a smooth, natural introduction. Repeat the full introduction after me. Hello. Good morning. My name is Ali. Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. Have a nice day. Let's repeat it again smoothly. Hello. Good morning. My name is Ali. Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. Have a nice day. Very good. Your greetings are already sounding stronger. Now let's practice confidence training. Repeat after me with a strong, clear voice. I can speak English. I can greet people confidently. I learn more every day. My English is improving. I am becoming fluent. Wonderful! This is exactly how you build a strong foundation in English, slowly, clearly, and confidently. Today, you learned basic greetings, how to introduce yourself, how to ask simple questions, short real conversations, shadowing practice, and confidence sentences. This is only day 1, and you are already making real progress. Come back tomorrow for day 2, where we will learn simple daily questions for beginners. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing every day. See you in the next lesson.